Now we'll see now transmission gate and all gates execution. So same procedure. So we'll write the Verilog code for all gates. This is the Verilog code for all gates. All gates means total 7 gates, right? Basic gates, universal gates, and special gates. And testing that, the test bench for testing the all gates. So once you return the test bench, you need to go to the simulation folder. There you need to open the terminal to see the simulation results, right? First we will test your design. All gates.p. I given the both the files, design file and test bench file. Want to cross check what the name you given for the test bench? All gates underscore test. So all gates underscore test, not v. So the access type is full access, right? It is full access. We will mention with RWC and show those results in GUI. Sorry, plus RWC is the command. Full access. I don't want this window. I'm closing this. So if I run, I'll get the waveforms. So to test this, I want code. You see here, if you will see for this condition, if A and B are 0, 1, so Y6 is XNOR gate, right? XNOR gate, you need to get 0 only. And Y5 is XOR gate, 0, 1, you need to get 1 only, right? You see here, you get 1 only. Y4 is NAND gate, right? Sorry, NOR gate. This is OR symbol. So this is OR symbol. Y4 is NOR gate. So NOR gate 0, 1. If you apply for NOR gate, you need to get 0 only. You see, Y4. Y3 is NAND gate. If you apply 0, 1 for NAND gate, you need to get 1, right? So that's why. And Y2 is OR gate. See, that's why you are getting for 0, 1 combination, you are getting 1. And Y1 is AND gate. If you apply 0, 1 as input, you need to get AND gate output as 0. So that is 0. And Y0 is not of A. A is 0 here. You see A is 0. Y0 is not of A. We are getting 1 here. Means like this, you need to check for all possible combinations. So I'm getting for one of the possible combination all the outputs proper. So I'm expecting that rest of the combinations also fine. So simulation is proper for my design. So once the simulation you verified, I need to close all this. Now you need to go for work folder. So you need to create a new file and create a constraints. all gates dot g. I guess already created. Yeah. So here is the constraints for all gate dot g. So even though y is a vector, it is defined only as one. You see here, even though it is a y is a vector, if you define only one, that's not a satisfied. So once you create a constraint file, if you run from here, terminal. So now what you are doing now, after giving a constraint file, what you are doing now? So somebody respond. I verified my design simulation. Now I am doing, once the simulation is over, next what I need to do? Mainly in Cadence tool, you have to check two, right? For your digital design has to be proper or not. You need to see the simulation which tells the functionality of your design and synthesis, right? So now we need to do the synthesis of your design. So for that synthesis we'll do with the help of Zenus tool. So Zenus, you see what I'm incorporating Zenus tool. Zenus tool is loading. Once you open the Zenus tool, you will get a if it is successfully opened, you will get a command like this. Means your Zenus tool now it is open. So before checking any of the designs, you need to properly define the libraries and define the HDL code. That means your design code path where it will be there, that you need to properly tell to the Zenus tool. So with the help of this command, set attribute set attr, with the help of this command, you will define libraries and where your HDL files will be there. Verilog files will be there. Library search path, where I need to search for libraries. Dot hyphen library. Now I need to search for where I need to search my Verilog code, that is HDL search path dot hyphen RTL. I need to define the library. Library. What library we will use? Yeah. So high vt dot lib. This library we are using for our synthesis. So we properly defined where the library search paths are, which library need to be used, where your HDL files to be searched. So we will read now your HDL code. Read underscore HDL. All gates. So if there is no errors there in that Verilog code, you won't get any message like this. Next command, it is asking for the next command like this. Means your Verilog code not have any errors. Now I will elaborate. So once you elaborated, now this is before synthesis, means before properly optimizing your design. Before optimizing, you want to see the reports. Report timing. So you see here, as you not provide any constraint file and as you not optimized anything, so you will get an timing report as unmapped. Same way, report power. So just see power without, this is without optimization. Report area. So this is before optimization. I will try to provide constraint file, then you will do the synthesis so that your design will be optimized. So to read the constraint file, read underscore HDC. What is the elaboration of HDC? synopsis design constraint. Synopsis design constraint. Constraint file need to provide all gates dot g. So you see runtime is 0, you are getting it is properly read, and also you can see here failed all will be 0 you are getting. Means your constraint file also read properly without any errors. Now we will synthesize. Synthesize to map underscore the effort of the synthesizer. Defaultly you will use effort of the synthesizer. Defaultly it is medium. So done incremental optimizing. Now you need to see your design now optimized. Now you see timing. Now previously here unmapped you got previously here. Now you see some XR to XLH, some values we are getting, finite value, delay value, how much is the slew for your design, all you are getting. Output power, you see you clearly observed previously 520 something you got. Now you see optimization in your power. So this total power is a combination of leakage power and also dynamic power. So power you got 320. Previously you got some around 520 something like that. Around 500 you got. Now you got less power only. Yes, any design you want to be take less power, right? And also area. So area also 19 watt. Previously some around. Want to check it out again? So just go previous like this. So this is timing, and this is power without optimization before synthesis. Area is 30, before synthesis 30. Now after synthesis area is 19. Means you got optimization in both in area and power, but it is not possible for all designs. So some designs you may get optimization, some designs you may not get the optimization.